Leather reins, cold iron yield, hooves in the dirt before I had a name. The earth calls out, I pull the same. Born to the rhythm, born to the low. Stars my witness on this road. I was born for the way, born for the cold, born to give everything I got till there's nothing left at all. If the ground needs breaking, I'll break it clean. I'm Joseph, the workhorse, part of the machine. Daylight bends beneath my stride. Wind whispers dreams I keep inside. Fields I'll never run across. Freedom always comes with a cost. Barn-roof stars cut through the night. I breathe them in, then fade from sight. I was born for the way, born for the cool, born to give everything I got till there's nothing left at all. If the world keeps asking, I'll answer still. I'm Joseph, the workhorse, bound by will. It wasn't the whip, it wasn't the call. It was too many seasons leaning on my bones. Too many mornings before the sun. Too many miles I walked alone. Even the strong will finally bend. Every road